Food processing's life impact. Processed foods have become a ubiquitous part of our diets. But what's the cost of consuming them? Processed foods affect our health, the environment, and society. Processed foods are created by breaking down whole foods, which strips them of essential nutrients, leaving behind empty calories. This depletion means that we're eating food that offers little to no nutritional value. Processed foods are loaded with artificial ingredients, colors, flavors, preservatives, that not only have no nutritional value, but can also harm our health. Studies link these ingredients to chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. High sugar and trans fat intake from processed foods leads to inflammation in the brain, affecting cognitive abilities. Over time, this can lead to memory loss and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. From pesticide use to packaging waste, processed foods have a significant environmental footprint. Their production contributes to soil depletion, water pollution, and rising greenhouse gas emissions. Processed foods are cheap, accessible, and convenient, but they contribute to the growing health divide, especially in low-income communities. This leads to increased healthcare costs and diminished quality of life. By choosing whole, organic, and locally sourced foods, we can reverse the damage caused by processed foods. This not only boosts our health but also benefits the planet and promotes economic equity. The choice is clear. We must break free from the cycle of processed foods. By eating whole, nutritious meals, we can preserve our health, protect the environment, and create a better future for all. Subscribe and like our channel for more insights on healthy living.